It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I am back. I got lots of good videos for you guys tonight. We're going to start out with the Bath& Body Works single wick candle sale for today. Check it out. Got my Halloween shirt on. This is from Avon. I love this necklace. If you want to check out my other channel, Beauty Geek, this one's coming soon. So, oh my gosh, $5.95 today on the single wicks with the code. Oh my, I was reading the code. It's so cozy. I'm like, the code is Scoozy. I'm like, that makes no sense. It's so cozy. That makes more sense. You're better off going in store, of course, because then you're not going to have to pay shipping. So I always say I'm not buying any more single wick candles, and then I usually end up buying a few. I have a love-hate relationship with the single wicks. They're super cute. They're fun. However, you can kind of get like overboard on the single wicks, and all of a sudden you have too many single wicks. So I've been trying to kind of like scale back a little bit this year and not buy like all of them. So we're going to go through some good ones. Oh, they have bourbon. Wait a minute. They have bourbon maple. That is the one candle I've been wanting in the 3-wick. I don't know if it's coming. Oh my gosh. Bath & Body Works. I don't know what they're doing to me. I do have a couple. So these are the new... I think these are called the Signature. Are these called the Signature? What are these called? There's a name for them. Yeah, Signature single wicks. They have an ounce more wax. They have the streamlined lid. Oh, that smells good. Spiced pumpkin and patchouli. I do like. They're super cute. I like that they don't have the screw-on lid. I don't know. They really work for me. I'll have to say I prefer, after a while of using them, I prefer the Signatures. Here's the original ones. These are, I think these are 8 ounces. Let me see. What are these? Oh my gosh, you can't even see this. 7 ounces. I think the other ones are 8 ounces. Or 8.5. Let me look. I gotta see this. What are the signatures? They might be 9 ounces even. I don't know. I can't remember. I could look on the jar. Let me see. Oh, these are 8 ounces. So it's an ounce more of wax. And actually, it's the same price when there's the sale going on. Because normally, the Signatures are $19.95. Which is just like, what? Those are so expensive. I think there's like a 2 for 20 something deal. Oh, you know what? They're giving me... This is so weird. I got the free shipping pop-up. The problem is, you can't use the free shipping with the So Cozy code. So it does no good. So getting back to the mason jars, these are the original single wicks. The lid screws off. Vampire Blood, Ghoul Friend, Moonlit Grave, and Pumpkin Carving, all the Halloween ones. They're super cute. I mean, I do like these. They're kind of plain this year, but I like it. I like the colored wax. Kind of looks old-fashioned, so that's a win for me. I did buy a couple of single wicks early this year. I got Marshmallow Fireside. I do not like these labels at all. This is like the most generic label I think ever. I don't know. I don't like these photograph labels. I think they're boring. I do like Marshmallow Fireside. So I'm just going to kind of go through the list and give you my recommendations. Into the Night, In the Stars. I mean, those are good if you like those scents in body care. I think the most exciting ones right now, Bourbon Maple, Cranberry Orange Seltzer, and I'm not a huge fan of sweet whiskey in the candle. Salted Butterscotch, that's a good one. I'm actually going to put a screenshot up right here so you can see these jars. Let me do this. Bourbon Maple, Pumpkin Clove, the Perfect Autumn in the jar I don't like. Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Oh, check it out. I like these jars. These are cute in the Signature. This one's got the brown wax. This is Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. This one smells really good. You can almost set these on your desk, and they just smell really good. So that's a win. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, Pumpkin Bonfire, Fresh Fall Morning, Caramel Pumpkin Swirl, which I just showed you. A Pumpkin Apple, that's always a good one. Harvest Pomegranate Flannel, a lot of the same ones you're going to see in the 3 wicks. The one a lot of people like is the Pumpkin Peanut Brittle. That's a good one. We've got Sweater Weather, Leaves, pumpkin cinnamon bun is an online exclusive. That's a good one. Pumpkin cinnamon bun's amazing. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. Do we not have that in the 3-wick? I don't think we do. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. I was kind of wondering where that one was. And it's in the single wick. Interesting. Wait, let me do a search. Let me do a search here. Let me see. We do not have that in the 3-wick. So if you've been wanting vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, get it in the single wick today for $5.95. So is this a good deal? Yes, it's a phenomenal deal. It's the lowest really you're going to pay on single wick. Sometimes they do $4.95 around Christmas, but I don't know if they're going to be doing that this year. So who knows, but $5.95 if you're looking to try a couple of scents. What I kind of like about the single wicks is if you were to buy 3, it's going to be a little less than $18, which is about the cost of a 3-wick. You know, if it's on sale, you're going to get a little less, but then you can try out 3 different scents. So that's kind of the advantage. They're not like low throw, but because they have the single wick, they're not going to fill a large room. So they're better for like a bathroom, small kitchen, a small bedroom, something like that. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. I got more for you guys today. I'll see you in a few. Bye-bye.